Confidence is a beautiful thing to carry. In today's video, I'll tell you what exactly steps that I used to follow to boost my confidence or to just maintain my confidence. That probably the simple steps could be very helpful to you guys as well. But before anything, we need to understand what is confidence and why it is important. A few people, they think the confidence is something which is your appearance. If you look beautiful, if you have a nice branded clothes, nice shoes, nice makeups and everything, then you will be a confident person automatically. 80% or somehow you can say it's true, but not really, because many times you'll find a beautiful girl standing on a high heels but she's not confident. So imagine. So confidence matters a lot. Certain time you'll find even in the movies that the people are not beautiful, they are not tall enough, but they are very much confident. You can take an example of comedian. There is a few comedians, they are not really present, means I shouldn't say that they are not presentable, but they are not really beautiful or handsome, smart, but still they are very, very confident and they can leave the impression on the world just because they are confident. So the meaning of confidence is just not about your appearance or having a branded things. The meaning of confidence is to accept your shortcomings, to accept your imperfections in the way of perfection. And confidence is something that when you are ready to do anything, you are ready to try for anything, even though you don't know the things, without having a fear of fail or without having a fear of result. Because I believe do your best and leave the rest. That likewise you can say I started a YouTube channel, whereas I don't know whether I would be successful or not, but nothing is possible without I'll give a try. So it's very important to try. So keep trying everything. So there is a few simple steps I wanted to tell you, that what you should do is, the very first thing, when you will wake up in the morning, then face yourself before you will face the world. And always say, when you are standing in front of the mirror, then talk to yourself, say yourself, I can feel, I can fly, and I can fly so high. It's very important. So repeat with me, I can feel, I can fly so high. Because always having a faith in yourself, it's very, very important. And you'll feel good, you'll feel happy. Now the second thing is, apart from any other daily routines, your office works or your household works, you must do some workout. It's very, very important. The 5-10 minutes workout is not gonna take will not be a burden, and once you will start up, believe me, you'll start enjoying it. No matter what kind of workout you'll go with, it's Zumba, yoga, or any other, or probably you can just play a music and start stretch out yourself along with the music. So certain times, for me, I love to do yoga, or even with the music. Sometime if you'll play the English music, I really like it. So it's okay for you, whatever you like, just go ahead with that. But you must do this, even 5 minutes, 10 minutes. You can start with the 5 minutes and then stretch for 10 minutes or 15 minutes. That is the second thing. Now the third thing and the last thing I would say, before going to the bed, before you will fall asleep, you must recall the whole day, whatever happened, whatever good thing which happened to you. Start appreciating to the things which is there in your surroundings. Start appreciating to the loved ones. Start appreciating to the all good things whatever happened to you in the whole day. And before anything, don't forget to appreciate yourself. That's very important. Appreciate yourself even though you made mistakes. Appreciate yourself that you at least tried. Then only you made mistake, right? If you'll not try, you wouldn't have tried, then you wouldn't have made any mistakes. So always appreciate yourself. Love yourself before you expect that anybody else will love you. Give importance to yourself before you expect that anybody else will give importance to yourself. That's it, I believe, and it's just not important to be a confident. These steps will really keep you very, very light and will keep you really happy. You'll start enjoying your life in yourself. So I believe that really helps me. I believe that will be helpful to you guys as well. So just try it for a few days and then mention in a comment below how are you finding yourself. with these few steps. Till the moment, take care. Bye bye.